How to update Shopify theme. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to update Shopify theme. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your Shopify store and you'll get right here. So we have our own website, our own store on Shopify, and we select a theme. Let's say you want to customize it. So you will just go to the sales channel right here and you have your online store. Click on it and it will open up the different settings that we can do for our online store. Click on themes and it will open up the theme for you. You can see the current theme I have is called Dawn. This is the theme customers see when they visit your store. And if I want to change it, if I want to customize the theme, I will just click on customize. And now I can change my theme. You can go to the theme settings. You can see we can change the color, typography, layout, buttons, variant pills. We have inputs, cards, media, badges, icons. We have card, checkout, and theme style. In order to add it and in order to customize your theme, you can just go to theme style and you can change it from here. Then you can go back and change your colors, typography. So we can customize everything right here, and it will allow me to change my theme, update my theme on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.